So if you have a squeaky dryer and it's the slide guides on the front bearings of the drum, I'm going to show you quickly how to replace these. It's actually a pretty easy job, and you only need a screwdriver and possibly a star screwdriver head. But here we go. First, unplug your dryer. Always do this. Next, take the screws out on the back of the control panel. This will allow you to remove the top of the dryer. And this one takes a star-shaped screwdriver head, at least on mine. Yours may be just a standard Phillips. Loosen the rear control panel. Inside the dryer door, take a Phillips screwdriver and remove the two screws in the corner that is holding the top of the dryer down. Remove the top of the dryer, lift, and set aside. Remove the screws with Phillips screwdriver on the left and right, pulling the front panel to the main body. And on the right side. Tilt the front forward and swing open and lift off the bottom hinges. Don't pull away, as there are electrical cables on the left side. Swing open like a door. This is where the electrical cables connect to the front door. Just again, to swing open. Make sure you get the right bearing slide for your washer, especially for the top parts. I had gotten these 6 months ago. They were marked as for being the top bearing slides for the dryer, but honestly they are so cheap. This is just one of them, and here's the other. That's just after 6 months. They're made of plastic. These are supposed to be genuine replacement. The material says metal. And if you look really closely, you can almost see that there is some type of specks of metal-like material, and it definitely feels much tougher than that white strip. Clear debris or wipe down the area where your slide glides go. Bend the front of the glide so that I can hook on this hook and push it in as so. Do this for the 4 glides on the front, and make sure that you place your gray ones on the top positions at 11 and 1 o'clock, and then at the 10 and 3 o'clock for the white glides. And it's so important to put the right ones in the right place. And also, it's especially important to buy a good quality top bearing slides. Remember, when placing the front door down, that there are slots at the bottom that you sit it down on top of, and then lean it forward. And then as you're leaning it forward, lift up the drum until it fits over the front bearings and push together. And putting the lid top back on, it is a mix of pushing back and sliding in motion. After you've screwed in all the remaining screws, plug your plier back in. And if the front bearing glides was your issue, you should have no more squeaking noise. Sometimes the circuit breaker gets popped, so I'm going to go check that. Thanks for watching my video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing. That'll help me get on my way to reaching the goal of 1,000 subscribers, and also continue to make more videos. And I just make videos on whatever I do fixing things. That's from household appliances, do-it-yourself things, items, some electronics, and other items. Alright, thanks again. Enjoy.